Para nakuha ni Alsoles, binigay kay Glenn Capasio up front. Capasio nakatingin sa loob. Sa ilalim, Silas Mills nagkakangawag na naman against Jojo Lim.
He's a bit he's out of here.
Siniko na naman niya si Jojo Lim sa mukha.
Mills should be out of here.
Mexico.
Tingnan natin gagawin ng referee.
Yes, Big Pablo. Yun yung translating your anger into something productive. Yung gigil na yun, nakikita natin.
Parang nag-double talaga eh.
Nalibre tuloy si John Best sa ilalim dahil si Mills nandun, nagre-reklamo kay referee Ernie De Leon.
I think you're right, dahil nag-fumble
mukha talaga.
Pero hindi naman niya drinable.
Yes, hard deflex. Pero palang gold tournament sila paring Lambert Ramos. Congratulations, samantala. Alsoles coming up with a PLDT long distance shot hit. Kaibigan natin sa hard deflex. Samantala, Donald Williams sumagot naman ng 3. Samantala, near steal by John Best. Ito na, nakompleto ni Donald Williams. Forward to John Best. Yes! Down to a 5-point lead by Mobiline. Number 5 of the championship. Ang ganda naman ang pasang yun ni Silas Mills to Team McClary. Here in the right place. Ladies and gentlemen, dito po ang aksyon sa Game 5 ng championship for the Governor's Cup of the PBA between Mobiline and Formula Shell sa kasalukuyan. Sa pag-umpisa po ng 4th quarter, lamang ang Mobiline ng 5. Ito, dinagdagan ni Team McClary off the drive.
Well, si Jackson just came in. He's playing very listlessly also defensively. This is not the Chris Jackson that we know. Pinalitan niya si Jojo Lim who really gave Shell a big lift sa 3rd quarter. Si Castillo naman pinasok, pinalitan si Isplana, and of course si Pablo nandun. So parang nagbago yung tatlong local player ng Shell.
7-point lead para sa Formula Shell. Ito po si John Best, ang kanilang main man as far as offense is concerned. Big Pablo biglang umangat. Ayaw pumasok ang tira. And Silas Mills again grabs the rebound. Mills pa rin may tangan ng bola para sa Mobiline. Forward kay Glenn Capasio.
Pati si Jackson, hindi rin nakukuha yung kanyang mga usual rebounds na
tama yun.
Ayun,
inikutan na naman ni McClary.
Pinaglaruan yan si Jackson.
Hindi na alam mo ni Jackson kung saan nagsusuot si Team McClary. Samantala, meron tayong report galing kay Rhea Tanwaco. Rhea.
Well, Ed, I have an update tungkol kay Tony Boy Espinosa. What happened was nadulas siya, and that's when his ankle got twisted, his ankle on the right. Pero ayon naman sa mga doktor, sabi nila wala siyang nararamdaman ng pain, but his condition is still questionable. It is not sure if he'll be able to play for the rest of the night or the rest of the series. Ed?
Malungkot na balita yan para sa Mobiline. Rhea, alam mo, maganda pa naman na nilalaro ni Tony Boy Espinosa. He had 6 points in the second quarter. He also pulled down 7 rebounds, Dr. J.
Candidate sa ating hard deflex.
Yes, hard deflex. Pero palang gold tournament sila paring Lambert Ramos. Congratulations, samantala. Alsoles coming up with a PLDT long distance shot. His second for the evening.
Rain check muna tayo kay Lambert.
Kay Lambert, congratulations na lang sa kanilang golf tournament, mga kaibigan natin sa Hardy Flex. Samantala, Donald Williams sumagot naman ng 3.
Well, that time, walang lumapit sa kanya. He was not challenged. He had all the time to take the jump shot. Saka walang humahabol sa kanya. Nabitin si Silas Mills sa likod ni John Best.
Pangalawang rainbow connection to Donald Williams. He has 14 points in the game. Samantala sa Team McClary, kanina pa binubulabog ni Donald Williams at natsempuhan naman, huli niya nahawakan yung bola.
Parang hindi niya iningatan yun. Nakita niyang hinahabol na siya. Tapos medyo pumunta pa siya sa kanto. The most dangerous place to be in when you're being trapped.
Samantala, pumunta naman tayo kay Randy Sakdalan with his report on Formula Shell. Randy.
Yan, kayang-kaya talaga ni Mills yung depensa si Williams. Aabutin niya talaga yun.
Okay. Samantala, near steal by John Best. Ito na, nakompleto ni Donald Williams. Forward to John Best. Yes! Down to a 5-point lead by Mobiline. Randy, pakinggan ka na namin. Sige.
Ayun yung sinasabi ni Coach Perong Kilo. Pero may timeout, Ed. Balik ko muna sa inyo, mamaya na.
Okay, timeout muna tayo. Teka, 20-second timeout lang yan. Sige, Randy. Tira!
Yung sinasabi kasi naka-lay up si John Best. Coach Perong Kilo looking to run dito sa 4th quarter. And particularly dito kay John Best. Sabi nila, 4th quarter na JB. Siguro pwede nang panghataw kasi yung 3 fouls na iningatan niya sa 1st quarter. Dito pwede nang mas maging aggressive itong si John Best. And last thing, Ed, 2 points at a time. Sabi ni Coach Perong Kilo, they're back in the ball game. Yun lang.
Okay, maraming salamat, Randy. At sa kasalukuyan, mga kaibigan, nakabalik na nga itong Formula Shell. Kanina, medyo lumamya na naman yung laro nila. Parang blowing hot and cold itong Formula Shell dito sa larong ito, Dr. J.
Well, yes, that's very true. And that's almost the same thing that's happening to Mobiline from time to time. Meron silang ratsyadang galit na galit, tapos biglang parang
turnover.
Yung turnovers. Yun ang nakakasakit sa kanila rin. They would be leading this ball game by a mile if they cut down on their turnovers.
Ito si Glenn Capasio na nagdadala ng bola para sa Mobiline. Binabantayan siya ni Donald Williams. Capasio pa rin. Binigay kay Silas Mills. Mills nakatingin sa loob. There's a cut there by Eric Reyes.
9 seconds on
Natin
the shot
palabas ng
clock.
bola. 9 seconds on the shot clock for Mobiline. Dito sa kanilang offensang ito. 9:05 remaining in the fourth period. Magandang cut ni Al Solis.
That was an easy layup.
Nawala na si Noy Castillo ron eh.
Almost nag-double dito. Ayun, no? Nagagalit si Mills. Parang
Naglalagot talaga si
nag-double
Mills.
talaga eh.
Oo. Oy, nalibre tuloy si John Best sa ilalim dahil si Mills nandun nagre-reklamo kay referee Ernie De Leon.
And I think you're right, dahil nag-fumble
mukha talaga.
pero hindi naman niya dribble. No?
Oo.
I don't know if he walked, but he did not dribble. Pero parang nag-fumble talaga si Castillo.
Actually, parang mental lapse kay Noy
Oo.
Castillo. Na-realize niya bigla eh.
Ano ba ginagawa ko?
Oo. T. McClary taking it strong against Big Pablo. Yun yung translating your anger into something productive.
Oo.
Yung gigil na yun, nakikita natin. What a shot by Silas Mills.
Alam mo siya pinapagaling sa mga import sa kanya.
Oo. Ito si John Best. Nakuha naman ni Silas Mills sa bola and Donald Williams gives up the foul. Uy, advantage foul na tatawagin.
Let's see. Yes, it will be
Oo.
given advantage foul, so that means free throw shots.
Sa kasalukuyan mga kaibigan, ito panoorin muna natin to. Talagang kailangan natin mapanood yan. Naku, sarap.
Up in the sky.
Oo.
Tapos tignan natin ito ulit from another angle.
Oo.
Look where Mills is. He's coming in from the left side of your
Ang
screen.
layo ng pinanggalingan.
Alam
ano?
na niya. Ito na ako.
Buhay ka pa. 72-67. Salamat po sa inyong pagsama sa pag-i-enjoy nitong larong ito ng Mobiline at Fort Pinachel. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat sa buong Pilipinas. Ito po si Ed Picson. Kasama natin si Andy Howe at kasama ang buong Pilipinas sa ating pong panonood nitong larong ito ng Mobiline at Fort Pinachel. Game number 5 ng Governor's Cup Final. Samantala, Silas Mills ngayon. Dalawang sunod na free throw naman ang ginawa. And it is back to a 7-point lead for the Phone Pals. Donald Williams.
Nice
Ayun yung pick and roll. Pero masyado malalim si John Best. Nakita niya sa labas si Noy Castillo. Castillo against Al Solis. Biglang pumukol from top of the key. Wala. Silas Mills getting the rebound. At pinukol naman kay T. McClary. McClary in the front court. Mabilis na bumaba sa depensa ang Fort Pinachel. Glenn Capasio. Ito yung steady presence ng Mobiline. Si Glenn Capasio. Samantala. May pito tayo narinig. Natamaan na naman si Glenn.
Sa nguso at saka
Oo.
medyo inawat kagad ng coaching staff. Huwag ka nang
Donald Williams, third foul.
Donald Williams picking up his third personal foul. Samantala, tatlong players ang pinapadala ni Coach Perry Ronquillo sa loob ng hardcourt pagkatapos ng timeout na ito. 7 minutes and 32 seconds remaining dito sa ating larong ito ng Mobiline at Fort Pinachel. Game number 5 of the championship. Ang ganda
nice
naman ang
pass.
pasang yun ni Silas Mills to T. McClary. At ito, ratsyada na naman ng Mobiline Phone Pals. At tumawag po ng timeout si Coach Perry Ronquillo naman. Let's go back to VTV. 7:23 remaining in the ball game mga kaibigan. Game number 5 ng Governor's Cup Finals dito sa PBA for 1998. Nasa siya lang bola, medyo pressure ito. Binibigay ng Mobiline, Dr. J.
That's right. Mobiline is trying to go for the kill here at this juncture of the ball game. Medyo maganda lamang nila. Yung pagkakataon na ito, hindi inakalaban.
Binalik na ni Coach Perry Ronquillo si Jerry Esplana para kay Noy Castillo. 7 na puntos po ang kalamangan ng Mobiline. Narito si Jojo Lim. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Kailangan itira na ito ni Jojo.
Talaga ititira ni
Talaga
Jojo
naman. Nakaka-8 puntos na ito si Jojo Lim. Dito lang pinasok sa second half ito ni
Wala
Coach
rin
Perry
si
Ronquillo.
Jojo dito. Malayo na rin ang lamang ni Mobiline.
Oo.
Dahil ang linaro talaga ni Jackson ngayong araw, parang tulog.
Oo.
Alam niya.
Alam niya talaga. At ito si Jojo Lim naman on both ends of the court. Nagtatrabaho para sa Fort Pinachel. Ang kalamangan po ng Mobiline, 7 puntos. Ayan na naman si Al Solis! Wala. Oops, 2, 3. John Best, nakuha yung rebound.
Walang tumalon na yellow shirts in that last
Oo.
rebound play.
6 minutes and 26 seconds po ang nalalabi. Dito sa larong ito.
Shell has been hanging around here.
Oo. Hindi rin nakakalayo masyado itong Mobiline as Donald Williams. So that's a 2-point shot.
Alam mo, people are hanging around here and all of a sudden this guy could get hot, no?
Yun si Donald Williams na
You
delikado
can never
dyan.
say, no? Alam mo naman, kanina pang malas ito.
Sabi nga natin nung minsan, medyo crisis player yung si... Oops, offensive foul! Ang tatawagin kay Silas Mills.
Silas Mills.
At pangatlong personal foul na yan ni Silas Mills. Tingnan natin mga kaibigan kung anong sitwasyon natin sa ating guard matchup between John Best and Silas Mills.
Lamang na lamang si Silas Mills in almost all departments.
Oo,
Sa puntos,
except-
dalawa lang
oo.
naman ang down niya, no?
Pero yun nga, medyo... Ayan, si Donald Williams sa labas. Hindi pumasok. John Best trying to recover it and he does.
Yan ang sinasabi ko, baka biglang maging mainit si Williams sa
Oo.
mga kanyang attempt, eh.
John Best, masigip sa loob. Medyo pinilit yun. T. McClary. McClary, subaksak sa loob. Wow! At sabi ni Jerry Esplana, ayoko ng ganyan. Pag sa harap ko. Jerry Esplana gives up his fourth personal foul. 76-71 mga kaibigan. Ang ating score, lamang ng 5 ang Mobiline. Mahaba-haba pa ito, 5 minutes and 36 seconds to go.
You know, another way that Mobiline has really stopped as we take a look at McClary, stop Williams, is that they have not sent him to the free throw line. He's a very good free throw shooter, alam natin yan. No?
Yes.
And with Mills guarding him, Mills doesn't really foul him. Mills bothers him, pero hindi niya talagang fina-foul. Kaya yun ang malaking bagay. They don't let Williams get hot from the free throw line and get the range. No? Maraming
That's right.
punto siya nung game number 4. Karamihan galing sa free throw line yun.
Nag-umpisa ng medyo sala, pero nung nag-init naman, matindi ginawa sa free throw line. Samantala, Team McClary unable to coax that shot to go in. 6-point lead para sa Mobiline. 5:28 remaining. Ito na naman si John Best, bumaposte. Ilalabas niya ngayon kay Donald Williams.
May screen.
May screen galing kay Benji Panas. Williams gets away. He's up in the air. Merong foul na tatawagin.
Meron foul talaga yun. Tingnan natin kanino. Inaako ni Mills. Kasi ayaw niya mapunta kay McClary. Magiging 5 yun, hindi ba?
Ito, pang-apat yan ni Silas Mills. Pareho na sila ni kanyang katoto na si Team McClary. 5 minutes and 20 seconds left. Game number 5 po ito mga kaibigan. Our series tied at 2 wins apiece between Formula Shell and Mobiline.
Ito kakabanggit lang natin, hindi nakakapunta sa free throw line. Ang ginawa ng Shell, tinulungan si Donald Williams. Instead of asking him to shoot outside with Mills right on top of him, binigyan ng up pick ni Benji Paras para makadribble siya around Mills. No? So that's the reason why he penetrated without Mills in front of him. But he missed his second free throw. And that hurts. Oy! Tapasa yun.
Jump pass ni Silas Mills. Naagaw ni Esplana. 3-point shot. Wala. John Best high for the rebound. Pero nakuha ni Al Solis. Binigay kay Glenn Capasio up front. Capasio nakatingin sa loob. Sa ilalim. Silas Mills nagkakangawag na naman against Jojo.
He's out of here.
Siniko na naman niya si Jojo Lim sa mukha.
Mills should be out of here.
Mexico.
Tingnan natin gagawin ng referee. I mean, this is a little bit too much on the part of Silas Mills. Parang inaano niya yung mga Pilipino rito eh.
Masyado nang nagpapakita ng arrogance itong si Silas Mills.
He's the most valuable import. There's no question about his talent and ability. But he's also the most... Bahala na siya.
Foul on Jojo Lim. Ito, tingnan natin kung ano magiging desisyon dito.
I saw him throw a punch.
Oo.
I saw him throw a punch.
Punch ba yun?
Number 1, Silas Mills.
Technical foul.
Technical foul. Number 8, Jojo Lim.
Aba, tingnan natin dito. Dalawang technical foul ang tinawag, pati si Jojo Lim. Tingnan natin dito. Ito, lalapit si Silas Mills. At humaharap lang si Jojo Lim. Ayun.
Buti naawat nga ni...
Medyo-
parang inano niya sa mukha.
Oo,
Buti inawat ni referee Del Leon yun.
Ito, medyo nagre-reklamo yung mga taga-Shell.
Bakit naman gaganunin lang yung penalty ng tao nakakaganon? Okay lang ba yung ganon? Pero the technical foul shots will be taken. Unlike before, kinakancel yan.
Ito, nagbinti si Mills. At medyo meron bumatulan ng paypay dito.
Parang duwag ang referee nangyari dito eh. Bakit papayagan mo bang parati tayong gaganunin ng mga tayuhan?
Alam mo, baka sa kanila hindi masama yun. Pero dito sa atin, pag tinala mo mong mukha ko, iba yan. Iba yan. 5:04 remaining in the fourth quarter. 77-73. Mobiline up by 4. Ayun, makita na naman natin yung replay nung pangyayaring yan. Ito si Silas Mills pa, medyo may sinasabi pa sa referee.
Hindi, alam na ni Silas Mills, hindi na siguro magpapatrol out
Ah,
yan,
oo.
katulad nung nakaraang game. Malaki daw ang fine nun, ha?
Ganun ba?
Oo.
Ito na naman si Silas Mills. Out to Solis. McLary. McLary sumagsak sa loob. Benji Paras is on top of him. Efebri Bernarte blows the whistle on Benji Paras. At umuungol yung mga fans ng Formula Shell as Benji Paras picks up his fourth personal foul.
Magandang pasa yung ginawa ni McLaren na yun.
Oo.
Nabitin siya, so naghanap siya ng kakampi kaagad.
4 na puntos na po, naghihiwalay sa dalawang koponan. Lamang ang Mobiline, 77-73. Al Solis to Glenn Capasio. Capasio down low to Silas Mills against Jojo Lim. Mills goes up.
Pinilit niya yung tira.
Wala. John Best para sa rebound. Binigay kay Donald Williams.
Nagsa-challenge tuloy si Mills dito kay Jojo Lim.
Nagigigil na si Silas Mills tuloy. 12 seconds on the shot clock para sa Formula Shell. John Best against McLary. Best sa loob, nilabas kay Donald Williams. Williams nakawala kay Silas Mills. But McLary was there. John Best!
Ano ba yun? Assist pa yun o tira? On the part of Donald Williams.
25 puntos na po. 32 puntos na ang ginagawa ni John Best dito sa larong ito. Silas Mills, binabantayan ni Jojo Lim. Ito si Glenn Capasio, nakatingin kay T. McLary. 8 seconds on the shot clock. McLary moving against
Illegal
John Best.
defense ito. Illegal defense on Benji Paras. Hindi siya sumama sa tao sa taas.
Unang tawag pala. Hindi, pangalawang tawag na yan.
May penalty, may technical foul.
Technical foul na yan. Para sa Formula Shell. 2-point lead lamang ng Mobiline. 4 na minuto po ang nalalabi. Dito sa kapanapanabik na larong ito. Game number 5. Silas Mills at the line. Ay pasok ang technical free throw.
Well, medyo lumamig na siguro si Mills dahil bigyan na siya ng technical. He's been playing so hard. I don't think he wants to get thrown out of this ball game.
I'm
Definitely.
sure. Ayun, tinapik na naman niya yung kamay ni Jojo Lim.
Oh.
Arito si Glenn Capasio. Capasio onto Al Solis. Eric Reyes. Ito, iniikot-ikot ang bola ng Mobiline. Team McLaren ma-attacking ngayon lamang kay John Best. Fall away jumper. Wala. Ayun na naman si Silas Mills. Lumundag.
Ayun na naman silang dalawa ni Jojo.
Oo,
Maraming second motion yung nangyayari sa kanila. I mean, si Jojo's been really also trying to get his goal.
That's pretty obvious. Pero pagka kumagat ka riyan, mali mo yun. Kaya si Jojo Lim, he's standing his ground. Ayun, tignan natin yung nangyari dito. Bagsak si Silas Mills. Nagpipigil ito si Silas Mills. It's very difficult for him. Alam natin, nahihirapan siyang pigilin yung kanyang galit at ngit-ngit. Pero so far, hindi pa gaano sumasabog. Medyo may konting pahiwatig na ito, pero pinipigil-pigil ni Silas Mills.
Huwag naman sana parang pinatubo ulit yun.
Oo. Malalahar tayo rito. Hindi naman maganda yun.
Pati buong mundo na-apekto.
Oo. 5-point lead by Mobiline, pero malayo pa po tayo. 3.5 minutes to go. Arito si John Best, labang kay T. McLary. John Best, pumihit na naman. Ayun yung kuyog na depensa. Silas Mills na naman para sa rebound.
Yes, and you can see the discrepancy ngayon pag naiipit si John Best doon sa ilalim. Hindi nakaka-rebound yung mga kakampi niya. No?
Yes. McLary, Capasio to Solis. Ito na naman si Silas Mills. Balik-uli kay Solis. They're looking for T. McLary. Yun! Denied ni Benji Paras. At tawagan siya ng kanyang panlimang personal foul dito sa larong ito.
Nakita mo naman dito, penalty ng Shell. Malayo na, 7 na team foul sila. Iisa lang ang team foul dito ng Mobiline.
Malaking bentaha yan para sa Mobiline Phone Pals on top of their being in the lead. At, mamaya nga pala, yan yung nababasa nyo yan. Yan po yung ating Thunder in Thailand. Laban ni Manny Pacquiao against Chaisa Sakul. Pagkatapos ng larong ito, tuloy-tuloy po action dito sa BTV. At sa linggo naman, pagkatapos ng game number 6, mapapanood nyo naman yung opening ceremonies ng Asian Games sa Bangkok, Thailand.
Well, McLaren doing something about his free throw shots dito sa Championship Series. Medyo nag-i-improve ang kanyang free throw percentages.
Talaga. Parang kabaliktaran, Si T. McLaren nag-i-improve. Ito naman si Silas Mills, medyo nakakaproblema.
Oh.
Itong T. T. McLaren doing 2 for 2 in that particular occasion. Samantala, ito na naman ang lamang na Mobiline. We have a timeout by Perry Ronquillo. Muusok na labanan between Formula Shell and Mobiline dito po sa Game 5 ng Governors Cup Finals. Ngunit bago po natin ituloyan, narito na naman ang ating mga numero sa ating Dutch boy, the Paint Authority in the paint.
Well, second half, Mobiline continues to dominate the inside points, continues to dominate the rebounds. Almost more than 2-1 sa rebounds actually. No?
Oo, ganun pa man. Hindi masyado nakakalayo itong Mobiline sapagkat nakalalamang-lamang sila ng 7 puntos. Kanina, bumaba na yan ng 4 yata, Dr. J.
That's right.
3. Pero ito, Donald Williams, biglang pumukol galing sa labas. So yun ang sinasabi mo, Dr. J, na baka biglang pumutok ito si Donald Williams. Nasabi nga natin, crisis player ito. Nasa crisis na ngayon ng Formula Shell. Down to a 4-point lead by Mobiline.
Yeah, Mobiline is letting them hang around. Diba? Kung papatayin mo yan, maski na pumutok yan, hindi na it doesn't matter. No? Pero you let them hang around, biglang pumutok yan, may problema kayo.
Al Soles binigay kay T. McLaren. Down to 4 seconds on the shot clock. McLaren naipit. Uy,
yung fumble na yan.
Oh, last touch pa si Eric Reyes.
Meron bang diferensya kaya ito si Gabby Cui? Because today he has
Oh, siya nga
videos.
pala.
No?
Oh.
And actually, they started with Alvin Teng. No? They started with the veteran team. Pero si Gabby Cui, he has not seen action in this ball game.
Ngayon lang yata sa buong series. Ano? Ito, Donald Williams!
Kasi sinasabi
Ayan
ko,
na!
baka
Ratchada!
Baka biglang pumutok eh.
Just a 1-point lead by Mobiline. 1 punto sa lampo. Ang naghihiwalay sa dalawang koponan. 82-81. 2:05 remaining. We have a timeout by Eric Altamirano. Po tayo rito sa Araneta Coliseum. Dito po nangyayari mga kaibigan ang umuusok na aksyon between Mobiline and Shell. At yan po ang ilan lamang sa napakarami nating mga suki na nagsipuntahan po dito sa Araneta Coliseum sa Cubao, Quezon City. Iloilo for Mobiline.
Kay Tony Boy yan eh.
Oh,
Tony Boy Espinosa, pero Tony Boy medyo napipinsala ngayon ng isang parang sprain.
Injury, oo. Dugay-dugay, nakitang way kahampang sa Santa Barbara. Saan na?
Sa Cebu. Sa Iloilo.
Saan ka? Ito, mga kaibigan, just a 1-point lead by Mobiline. 82-81 near steal by John Best, but the ball goes out of bounds. Mananatili po sa Mobiline ang bola.
That was an important timeout called by Coach Eric Altamirano. Tama yun.
Yes. Samantala, the last 2 minutes brought to you by Hope, the largest selling luxury cigarette. Silas Mills, double teamed. Al Solis covered. Silas Mills, sumaksak sa loob against Benji para sa Jojo Lim. Naipit siya. At merong foul na tatawagin. Could it be on Benji? Yes, pang-anim na yan ni Benji Paras. Naku po.
And it's Benji who called it. Benji Chua.
Oh. 1 minute and 45 seconds to go. 1-point lead lamang ng Mobiline at si Benji Paras po ay nag-foul out of the ball game. Pabalik naman si Vic Pablo.
Malaking bagay yun. Dahil Vic has not been playing well. But of course, don't give him the opportunity to score.
Ah, yes.
Medyo kumalaw yata doon si Benji Paras. So, 2 free throws again yung for him. Ganda yung timeout na yun dahil medyo na-settle down yung laro ng Mobiline ng konti. No?
Yes. Umuusok na yung Formula Shell at biglang ginibaan diskarte nitong Mobiline. Pero hindi pa rin natin masasabi mga kaibigan sapagkat 3 puntos lang yung kalamangan ng Mobiline. 84-81. At ito, usually pagka umaabot ng 80, mas gusto yan ng Formula Shell. Pero meron pa tayong 1 minute and 38 seconds remaining. Ito, 30-second timeout lamang ang tinawag ng Formula Shell. Susubukan natin pakinggan ang mga coaching huddle. Ito si Perry Ronquillo.
Okay, JB. Okay, play it close. Okay, Donald come out. Okay, Jerry, stay down here. Okay, Joe, down screen Jerry. Now you get it to Donald right here. Okay, if you get it to Donald, Vic, I want you to clear out right away. Clear out right away. Jerry, you're here. Jojo, you're here. Down screen. Okay, Donald. Okay, JB, go O. O. Okay, any questions? Okay, now if he gets denied, flash to the ball. Okay, hand it off. One, big fight. Let's go for a quick 2. We don't need to play. Come on, let's go. Go for the rebound.
Okay mga kaibigan, yan po, nadinig ninyo very specific instructions galing kay Coach Perry Ronquillo, Dr. J.
Yeah, you go for a quick 2 because 2 of course gives you a higher percentage shot. But syempre, alam mo naman si Williams, sariling diskarte yung pag nakakita ng foul from tumira ng 3-point niya, talaga titira yan.
May lisensya naman yan.
The best play really is to try to get a good 2-point shot.
Abangan po ninyo ha, mamaya Manny Pacquiao versus Chachay Sasakul from Bangkok, Thailand. Pagkatapos sa PBA. 7 seconds remaining in the shot clock. Big Pablo, wala. John Best, offensive rebound, pero loose ball foul. Pero wala pa sa penalty itong Mobiline.
They got a lot of fouls.
Oh.
That's only their second team foul.
Oo. Pero panlima na yan.
Fifth foul.
Panlima ni Team McLary. Only the second team foul para sa Mobiline. Jojo Lim.
Talagang dinidepensa na ni Mills si That's a foul by Mills.
Panglima rin yan.
Foul number 1, Silas Mills. That's his 5th foul.
Fifth personal. 1 minute and 19 to go.
Fouls.
Sinasabi ni minsan na hindi mo maintindihan, parang very yun, di ba? Very light touch.
Oh.
Tinatawag natin light touch.
3-point lead ng Mobiline. 3 puntos lang po lamang ng Mobiline. Nasa shell ang bola. John Best. Nilabas kay Donald Williams. Silas Mills. Dinidikitan na siya.
Yan naman ang pick.
Cross court to Jerry Esplana. 10 seconds pa. Nalalabi sa kanilang shot clock. Jerry Esplana against Al Solis. Binigay down low to John Best. John Best kick out to Esplana. Nag-iisip 2 seconds to go on the shot clock. Wala.
Yeah, that's big.
Al Solis pinagol kay Silas Mills.
Pero hindi naman titira yan dahil
Oh.
bumaba ang depensa. Ginagamit niya yung utak niya. So that's set it up.
Magaling talaga maglaro ito si Silas Mills eh. Medyo may kainitan lang ang ulo. 40 seconds to go. Mobiline by 3. Shot clock down to 7. Silas Mills against Williams. Nilabas kay Glenn Capasio. Capasio takes it inside. Layup ni Capasio!
Yeah,
Big layup! Big layup by Glenn Capasio. At lamang ng 5 ang Mobiline. 86-81 with 30 seconds remaining. May timeout. Galing kay Perry Ronquillo. Kasi mga kaibigan, with 30 seconds to go, Mobiline on top by 5, 86-81. Nasa shell po ang possession. Kaya pala, sigurado pong makakaroon tayo ng Game 6 sa linggo yan. Doon po tayo sa Cuneta Astrodome, pero maaga, alas 4:15 po, ang umpisa ng Game 6 between Shell and Mobiline sa Cuneta sa darating na araw ng linggo. Pagkatapos naman nung laro, doon pwede ho kayong umistambay muna ro sapagkat mapapanood nyo naman doon sa ating giant monitor sa Cuneta Astrodome yung opening ceremonies ng Asian Games sa Bangkok.
That's right.
Alagaan namin kayo.
By the way, we have Castillo coming in for Esplana. Maybe mag-iisip na ng 3-point shot dito
Oo.
or 3-point threat at least ang Shell.
Yes.
Kaya si Castillo is spotting up.
Uy, Donald Williams.
No calls.
Walang call.
Wala nang call.
Oo, medyo pinilit niya yung tirang yun.
Yeah, that's true. And
Hop,
actually,
hop, hop,
oy!
hop! Di pa tapos ang boxing mga kaibigan. Basketball pala. Ito, Donald Williams. Kitikada over Eric Reyes. Wala. Loose ball. Yun ang pinagagawa ni Glenn Capasio. Donald Williams and a foul is going to be called on Donald Williams. Yes. Donald Williams, pang-apat na personal foul. Only 9 seconds remaining.
It's a one-ball game, I
Oo.
think, here at the stage for Mobiline. Unang-una, merong free throw shots coming up for Capasio. At the same time, wala naman sa penalty ang Mobiline. They have fouls to give. They could have given up 1 or 2 fouls there.
That's right. 86-81 mga kaibigan ng ating score with 9.8 seconds remaining. Lamang ang Mobiline ng 5.
So this Mobiline, by winning this ball game, will be only 1 game away from winning its first ever championship, no?
Yes.
Totoo na naman mga kaibigan dyan sa Philtel.
Aba, marami tayong
Kaibigan
kaibigan.
ko dyan, si Bibet. Tsaka si Tess.
Uy.
Sabi nga sa akin,
Kayo.
sana makachamba naman daw sila bago matapos ang taon.
Well, alam natin, nanalo sila ng Centennial Cup. Pero iba naman yung regular
Iba
conference
yun.
Ito, Donald Williams, binigay kay Jojo Lim.
He has played a good game. You gotta
Oo.
give it to Jojo Lim.
Sabagay, pero siyempre, mas mamatabisin niya sana kung nagwagi ang kanyang kumaran. Meanwhile, Mobiline again takes a 1-game lead in this best of 7 series. A 3-2 edge now. At pupunta tayo sa Game 6. May pagkakataon ang Mobiline na tapusin niya, pero sa takbo po ng mga pangyayari dito, hindi tayo nakakasiguro sapagkat maaring bumalik yung Formula Shell. Samantala, I think our colleague Ria Tanwatco is ready now for an interview with the winning coach. Let's go over to you, Ria.
Okay, thanks a lot, Ed. I'm here with the winning coach. No one else except Mr. Eric Altamirano. Now, Coach, this has been a very intense series, and I think today has been the most intense of all. What does this victory mean for you?
Well, I think this is very important. This is a very important win for us coming on our game on Sunday. It's been a struggle for us. We've lost 2 players already, and I don't know what's the condition of Tony Boy. But even if we play with 1 leg, we'll try to finish it on Sunday.
Okay, now let's talk about your imports. Sila yung napaka-intense na players on your team. How do you plan to control them? In the past 2 games, Silas Mills has had 3 technical fouls, and McClary has had 1. What do you tell those guys when they lose it?
Well, I think with Silas Mills, I think that's his personality, and I'd like to depress him as far as I could, but I think he gets his energy from that. So I'm caught in between whether to really reprimand him or just let him play. But the important thing is I told him just make sure he keeps his focus and he doesn't lose his composure.
Okay, lastly, Coach, you have a rather long injury list. How do you plan to hold it together for Sunday?
Like what I've said, all throughout this conference, we always try to find ways to win, and we'll just have to do it again for Sunday.
Okay, Coach, congratulations. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay, stay tuned. Babalik ang bayan ng Superstars.
Ayan po mga kaibigan ang ating final score. Mobiline winning it over Shell 88-81 at lamang na naman ng Mobiline sa ating serye. This is a best of 7 series. The edge of Mobiline 3 games to 2 dito po sa kampinato para sa Governors Cup for 1998. As usual, Dr. J, we got treated to some basketball game tonight.
That was a very good game because today over 80 points na yung Shell with still plenty of time left in the ball game. And Mobiline just had a 1-point lead. They held fast. They did the right things in the end game and came up with a good victory, a 7-point victory. Let's see what happens in game number 6, although wala na kami nito ni Ed. No?
Oo, medyo sasamahan po namin yung ating mga kasamahan doon sa Asian Games sa Bangkok sa linggo. Samantala, ito po, inaabangan ninyo kung sino ang ating VAT69 Best Player of the Game. Well, plural po tayo, players. Pero una, ito po, si Silas Mills. Matindi na naman ang ginawa nitong best import of the conference.
Yeah, the numbers are big, 33, 16, and 8. And, he really shut down Donald Williams for quite a while in this ball game until nakawala si Donald Williams doon sa 4th quarter. And that was very, very big in letting Mobiline continue to establish. Then, of course, Glenn Capasio, as usual, I think probably the best local player so far in the series for both teams.
Well, sabi nga natin, he has been the steadying presence para sa Mobiline Phone Pals. At talagang maganda ginagawa niya not only on defense na kung saan inaasahan siya, pero gayon din sa kanyang opensa na talaga namang hindi niya pinababayaan kung nagkakaroon man ng pagkakataon. Okay mga kaibigan, samantala naman narito ang ating Hardiflex Building Boards King of the Boards. Walang iba po kundi si Benji Paras. 7 rebounds and all, Dr. J.
Yeah, very, very good game all around para kay Benji Paras. Nothing spectacular, but solid ang kanyang linaro. So, okay lang yung Pero, again, he fouled out. Kulang na kulang ang local support, and that was shown in our, na pag hindi sumuporta yung mga ibang local player, talagang mahirap manalo ang Shell.
Well, mga kaibigan, we go to Game 6 with Mobiline enjoying a 1-game edge at 3-2. Abangan po ninyo yan. Maaga po tayo sa darating na linggo. Alas 4:15 ang game time. So maaga tayong mag-tune in sa VTV. At kung pupunta po kayo sa Cuneta Astrodome, siguraduhin ninyo maaga rin po kayo para makakuha kayo ng magandang upuan. Mobiline versus Shell, fighting for the 6th time. At sa linggo rin mga kaibigan, sa halftime ng larong yan, ay magkakaroon tayo ng PBA lottery para sa drafting ito, Dr. J. Ang bubunot po dyan, Ginebra, San Miguel at Santa Lucia. 3 bola yan, 2 sa Ginebra, 1 sa Santa Lucia.
Yeah, because by placing, napunta sa last place. And so that hindi naman parang linalaro mo lang para ka ma-last place, makuha mo yung first pick. Yung second to the last will have 1 shot at it. So 1/3 of the opportunity to pick the first round pick next year.
Importante po yan kung sinong mauna na pumili dun sa drafting po next year. Halftime po yan ng ating game number 6. Samantala mga kaibigan, huwag po kayong aalis dyan sapagkat alam nyo naman dito sa VTV, parating meron kaming inihahain na mga espesyal na palatuntunan. Kanina lang, slightly delayed po ito mga kaibigan. Labanan ni Manny Pacquiao ng Pilipinas. Mga taga General Santos, ayan ang inyong bata. Kalaban po si Chachay, Dutch boy sa Sakul World Championship po yan. para po sa kampyonato sa buong mundo. Kaya suportahan natin si Manny Pacquiao. Mapapanood po ninyo kung ano nangyari dyan.
Well, kasamang Ed, we will not be with them for the championship in Game 6 or maybe if there is a Game 7 dahil wala na tayo rito. The next time I want to see them for a championship is I hope kasama ang Philippine team.
Yun, yung championship po sa Asian Games. Sama-sama po natin ipanalangin yan at bigyan ng suporta ang ating kupunan. Hindi lamang sa basketball, mga kaibigan, marami pong mga events na kasali ang Pilipinas. Kailangan po ang ating suporta. Kanya't kasama po ng inyong panalangin ay parati po natin ito ng ating pansin sa ating coverage dito po sa VTV. Handog po sa inyo ng Vintage Television at ng lahat po ng mga tauhan na nagtatrabaho rito at pipilitin po natin na maibigay sa inyo ang pinakamagandang coverage na inyong mapapanood dito po sa Asian Games. Samantala, mula po rito sa Araneta Coliseum, kasama po si Andy Howe, ako po si Ed Pingson, nagsasabing magkita-kita tayong muli sa pagbabalik po natin mula sa Bangkok, Thailand. Sana marami tayong dalang ginto, Dr. J. Ginto ng medalya.
Okay.
Mahirap naman
Smuggler?
ano pa tayo, mahuli pa tayo.
Wala nga tayo pera. Bibili natin dito.
Mga kaibigan, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay. Damo mga salamat sa iyong mga kasangkayan. Good night. We'll see you around.